Okay, I'm now lifting the saddle. I have it strapped already. It's still raining like hell. But I'm still trying to film the lift. I'm using the second cylinder on my crane to lift this right now. And that's operated by this lever. Pulling this lever makes it go up, and this way it's down. And it's a two-way cylinder, so it also has power down. Where the main cylinder right there is only one-way cylinder. So only gravity is pulling it down. But I'm now using this one. Quite sensitive. Here we go. This is not a very heavy part. Pretty light actually. Maybe only 100 kilograms. And now I'm pulling the beam in. Okay, let's take a look at the saddle. What do we have? I am a little surprised actually. I thought this saddle had some brass lights, but it doesn't. There's only cast iron. And the same thing here, which I knew already. But about this I am very surprised. Let's see, I have a clean cloth anywhere. Use my glove to do a little cleaning. I'm using my old camera now. You probably cannot see, but the wear is quite serious. I can really feel the edge right here with my finger. I wish I had my better camera. So what's gonna happen to this saddle? I think the machine shop will attach some brass lights to these surfaces. I don't know about this one, maybe also here. So this is the second last part to lift off. The last one is the gearbox. And it looks a little difficult to lift, but I think I will find a way. And of course the last thing is the bed itself. This is gonna be a real tough lift. I may have to move my truck because there's so little room between the truck and my other half of the workshop, which will also be gone in maybe 1 month when I'm moving the mill away. So again, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a better day than I have. Well, there's nothing wrong with my day except for the weather. So goodbye.